my test, so that should work now. So problem is it recording? Let me check on my phone if it is. So so I can just go here and go, oh wait, no, just go to channel, review channel, and I should see my live. Yep, here it is. So let's check if it is recording the current screen that I am on, this screen, not some other screen, and it's buffering. So, there it is. So yeah, it is. So it's good, I guess. So it should. Yep, it's recording the current screen that I am on. So yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Let's chill. Let's chill. So just this. There we go. So yeah, here's DPL. Yay! And yes, the code does work. So the only problem is now I have to reset it. So like, how can I? Is there like, yeah? Let me ask ChatGPT if I can set up like different. So let's just wait for the window. ChatGPT. Don't worry, I'm not logged in because I don't have one account. Let's take it out, and now, whoops. So now here we can just, yeah. So now we can just go, uh, I did not, oh no, I did spell that right. So yeah. Oh, okay, so variants. So run, debug, release. So CMP. What's the default? So what's the default then? Oh, no, not doing that. So, gotcha. So like there's variants, so I can go variants, not that, oh, let me just notice it again. So variants. So name and then the commands. Okay, so shell. Okay, gotcha. So just copy paste this. Bam. Now here, cmd is this. Call it sim name. Was it new? Was it new? I keep checking my phone and it's this one name. Okay, so it's name. So name it simple mode. So we're gonna remove this. We're just gonna replace it with run. So that's that. And now we're gonna put an extra trailing. That's gonna hurt, right? Right. So now we go do this. Just to fast simple mode and simple run, which is different. Simple run just does that, which is one of the commands that get triggered when you do that. I mean flags, not trigger. And then pure DPL mode, so no CFFI, no Lupa, and dash simple run. So yeah, that should work. So this is the default, and now if I go Control Shift P, we what? What do you mean I have a brain package control list packages? Why would I have this? No. Control Shift key. Package control. Remove package. Print that. Because why would you have a brain? So now, there we go. Yep. So that's slow, but hello. You're finally here. Hooray! 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 So anyways, simple mode, that's fast. So my default number should be, yeah, that should be, yep. Good. So I'm programming in my own programming language. Huzzah! It's delayed. The stream is delayed. It's not instant. It's not instant. It's not instant, bro. It's not instant, okay? It's not instant. Don't be disappointed. So anyways, control. Yup, it's delayed. I should finish this part. Probably they want me to implement 99 bottles of oil beer on the wall using my programming language because I will. So 99 bottles of beer. Replace that with that because I want to do that. So here we can go use. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to implement it. So we're gonna set bottles to 99. So what we're gonna do is while bottles, so bottles is greater than 0, we're going to go print this. So I forgot how that works. I need the Python implementation. Just refresh that. No, 99. Oh, wait, there is. Right. Question. Oh, I can't. Wait, I can just. Yeah. This PC, Windows. Windows. Oh, it's not here. It's here and in programs. No, not here either. So it's here in program data. Nah, it's in resource. No, so it is in yes. Program file 686. Microsoft. Nope, nothing crazy. And those crazy ones. Yeah. They locked me in a room, a rubber room with rats. The rats make me crazy. Oh, come on now. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? What the hell? Oh wait, I can just. What am I doing? I can just go. Piston. What? Piston? Piston. There we go. So we're looking for that. Yep, here it is. So knew it. So it's in low. Okay. So we're just gonna go. Boop. Pop. Bim. Now here in scripts, there's like a 99 bottle. Oh, no, it's. Where is it though? Where is it? Where is it? They removed it? No, they shouldn't remove that. I know there's like, damn. Well, that's sad. Like, is it in here? Oh no, it's gone. It was a nice. It was a nice. It was a nice. What was it again? Forgot. Nope, not that. Where's the magnet? There, it's gone. What do you mean it's gone? No, 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 no. The hell? Why is there modules in there? Site packages, maybe it's in here. No, it's external. Test. That's weird. Demo. It's like nothing. That's weird. Very weird. Very. Fine. I'll just. Fine. I'm gonna search it. 99 bottles of beer lyrics. There we go. I forgot. Pass it around. Okay, so what's it? So bottles of beer. Bottles of beer on the wall. So we're gonna make it actually one. Bottles of beer on the wall. 90. So we're just gonna go do that right here. Bottles. This bottles of we're gonna. I need help on the wall. Wall. That's the wrong side there. Now we can just take one down, pass it around. So we're gonna go decrement bottles. So now here we're gonna just yoink this. Bam. Bottles here. Wall. And then now in here we're just gonna go use this. But now we're just gonna go remove this. Oh, no, how do I do that again? Control Shift K. There we go. And then we're just gonna go put one here. One bottle. Whoops. Press Shift. One bottle of one bottle of beer. No, don't bottle. One bottle. There we go. And just one. And bam. So just bam. And there it is. Now we just need to add a space. Bam. It's done. It is done. It's done. And we can just probably use CMD to sleep, make it slower. So like that, oh, it's because it's 1 second. What the hell is wrong? Oh, was it, wait, Windows is weird. Nope. What? Mm, four? What? I did not see. What? There's four? What? Four. Wow. I I forgot to change the category. That's why it's on the gaming category. No wonder why someone's watching. Well, I guess that helps. So, anyways, there's seriously what? You've got to be kidding me. This is why we programmers have multiple tabs open at all times. Damn. Accept all cookies. It's not. Oh, timeout. What the heck? Why? So, and then, so where's gonna? It still errors out. What the frick? There is no. Uh, 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 we do have time in here, so I'm just going to go implement that manually by myself. For pipe parser. Yeah, we already have that module in. Can I? Yes. Or I can just there. Lots of stuff that I do not need to do. And nice. Sleep. So, and RFC is equal to 1. We are just going to go so time dot sleep args 0. So probably type check that too. And args 0. So is instance dot integers. So now here we can sleep um like that. Bam, hooray! It works. 0.2. It takes forgot. Where's my parser? We can say it also takes in a float. So we're just gonna. I don't like using union. It's just it's just a glorified tuple of. Yep, there it is. Hooray! It works. So my programming language is singing 99 bottles of beer. That's an accomplishment. Probably make it much more faster by doing 0.25 0.25 too fast. 25, no, that's too maybe 0.5, still too fast. 0.8, fine, let's take the 0.1, still too fast. You've got to be kidding me. Well, I guess that works. So that's 5 beers per second. So now that works. Yay! What else should we implement? A randomizer would be pretty cool, though it would require another library to be imported, reducing initialization time. Like, do we import it in? No, it's why would import it in runtime though? We import utils for what though? So we set up stuff, let exit. So this does currently nothing. Stuff. Um, Anyways, cool then. So meta attributes internal operating system. So this is architecture. So meta attributes internal um, OS name. So can be Pinky Windows based POSIX Linux POSIX compliant POSIX and then compliant POSIX compliant systems and then Jython running on a Jython environment. So I should edit that edit that it's oops save boom here. So yeah, very weird. So now we go here and probably run some programs that are specific to operating systems because we can now go switch. Oh yeah, I forgot I haven't added that yet, so we should add that here. Also, there's another like increment and decrement. I did not. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this that I had. So increment, decrement, switch. I know, yeah, there it is. So why is it not working though? That's weird. Should be. Oh, because I haven't saved it yet. Makes sense. System independent DPL boom. So now here we can just go underscore meta dot OS name. So and so like case np. We can go here and go. Oh, forgot to. Whoops, forgot to. Standard. Current hello Windows. Hello Windows. What are Windows? Hello Windows. Case POSIX. Hello Linux enthusiasts. Did I spell it correctly? I don't know. Probably not. But who cares? Case Jython um, this just no bye bye default and and system not recognized. Oh sure, fine, I have WSL installed. Sure, sure. Okay, sorry that this laptop was for my family and I can't just install Arch Linux on this. You're lucky that I uninstalled my VM box, bro. You're lucky. Plus, setting up streaming on Linux is kind of difficult. It's one of the difficulties when using Linux, but yeah, let's wait for this to finish up. So let me just copy that. No, wait. Right now it's Control 50. Let me just. Oh yeah, I don't have GitHub installed on my Windows side. Shucks. Oh well, no difficulties, no problems, no problems. I'm just gonna copy it manually to my home. So MNTC users, yes, OneDrive, desktop. DPL, copy it here. Oh, I forgot to make it recursive. Look, I've been programming for 5 years. I'm not just some script kiddie, okay? I've touched C++, C. Well, I'm not that good in compiled programming languages. I try my best, but in Python, yeah, and that's one of the best things I'm good at. So, wait, do I have it? I may need to use my. Let's see first. It's probably gonna fail because yep. Wait, what? That's weird. That's my GitHub. Oh, it's already done, but it didn't push. Probably because I have to. No, I have gh. Good. Gh on login off. No, off login. Off login. GitHub.com. Yes. HTTPS. Don't really have. Need to log into my browser. Come on now. Wait, I already have. Great, it's seriously it's great. Windows, great. Look at that. Look at that. It's dancing around. Windows is just a bloatware. I swear, if this laptop wasn't for my family, I would have installed Arch Linux. Not that. Just git stop autofilling. Sign in. Passkey. Continue. Turn on the Bluetooth. This my. Oh, I didn't. My fingers are clean. What do you mean? There we go. That's it. Oh, alright. That's set up. So, bam. Oh, whoops. Open the wrong. Yeah, there we go. That should. Yeah, continue. And then the pen was. Uh, 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 169. What the hell is wrong with what? Finally, authorize. Bam. Yay. So now we can just. Something is definitely wrong. Fine. It's the email. No, the email didn't change. It's just the name. Configure global. How did I use that name? Oh, what was it? I forgot. Is it git config? It's not configure, isn't it? There we go. Still, what the hell? GitHub. Fine. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna go start from scratch. Start from scratch. I should sit again. Oh no, I have my own. Is it my? Where is it? I have. Oh yeah, I forgot. The code machine. Where is my? Here it is. Oh, whoops, did it too much. See, should. So export. Let's do it again. Export DPL repo. HTTPS. Rihito Rayo slash DPL. Save that. We're gonna do it. Yeah, no. We can go git pull. No, not git pull, git clone. Wait, I need to reload. And now if I go echo DPL repo, that should, yep. Now here we can go DPL repo. Don't clone the entire commit tree. DPL, we should have this now. Now we should be able to implement parser. Type parser. By was it shift? Yep, shift. We already had time, so I implemented near fn. So here we can go this. Speed 1 and this instance are 0 in float. So now here we can just go time that sleep. Huh? Did I already? That's anyways, I'm not going to complain. Just save myself some precious time. So now we should be able to go see the examples, and we should have the 99. Yep. So we're just gonna go time times the DPL.py run. Maybe use simple mode instead. Mode x bam bam, and it works. Good, it works. All we need to do is handle the keyboard interrupt so it returns a code instead of, yeah, it should be that. You're gonna need to put a try block for the entire loop, which is frankly quite, nah, not maybe well, anyways. So what should we implement? Oh yeah, forgot. And there goes the cats. Not gonna partake in any of those. So just need to update the syntax highlighting, which is probably install. So we're just gonna go bash install sh, and that should. It looks like it's an error, but it should work. Oh, I did not. Oh gosh, what? No, I did not update it yet. So you can just go vim. Where was I? Cd syntax vim bam vim vim syntax DPL vim bam. We should add keywords indent doesn't work anyway. Keywords indent that doesn't work. Just return should not be dent. Forgot how to delete an entire identifier. Constants true, false, no, none. The types it's changed. But anyways, operators, syntax, strings, comments, define. It's in here. Give a keyword. Was it $sign? Yep, $sign. So here we on new scope, and then on pop scope, and then we already have ink. Yeah, that is. So that we should be able to go this. We should be able to vim. I did not reinstall it, that's why. So this and go bash install sh. That should work. There it is. So now all I need to do is push this update 1.4.9 updated Vim syntax. Oh, not again! You've got to be kidding me. Why? It's already up to date. Oh, you've got to be kidding. What do you mean? Yay. What? Good. So if I go yes, tree, yep, tree. So we should have that on is called system dependent, and then bottles of beer. This should be git ignored. I should fix that. There's a git ignore file that directory sync for this. This should be ignored. Cleared. Project manager to config scripts. Yeah. What does it? Oh yeah, forgot. Missing this. Project manager. Yeah, that should work. Looks clear enough. Do we have glow in this? No. Sadly, no. But I do have some text. Nice. Answer doesn't work anyways. So we should be able to go. Oh no, I have to find this. Yeah, this I should delete that. Crashes on start. Sorry, program. Oh, what am I doing? Not that. Empty cycle bin. Yes, this one. Open that up. This. Oh no, no. This. Ugh. What? Every time I use Windows, it kills one of my neurons. Not. Finally. Finally. I can't save it to. Hello? Me. Desktop then. Same here. Desktop. So now we have this. Now we can go here. Syntax. New folder. Sublime. Yay. So do we have like this like it's probably in config. There it is. So cd sublime text. So what is in here? It's still okay. So packages. User cd user. So we have this. So like if I go here, like because here yes, sublime syntax. Oh wait, what? It's supposed to be here. This one. Let's open this up. So like it's in freaking. So it's in packages user DPL then DPL. Yeah. So I can just go mkdir DPL cd DPL and then copy these files, which I can just go this DPL syntax sublime line the old sublime star in bam. So now if I start up, if I go here to DPL, let me just fix it again so that I can see the chat. Uh-huh. So now here we can go see the examples and go sublime L, and why not? That should highlight properly. Nice, hooray! It highlights properly, so that's cool. So we have syntax highlighting for both sublime and Vim, which is nice. Very nice. Very nice. So yeah, let's check that. Why not? It's 1.3 megabytes in size, and I did build Python, although I deleted it. Bad. We don't have Node.js, right? Yep, we don't have Node.js. Forgot about that. Slop. So nice. Test it. What's tested fine? What's that? Oh, I forgot. It's that. Ah. What is it? Why are you reacting like that? What is it? What is it? Hey! 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 Nah. So nice. What was I going to do? Ah, yes. Update some stuff. Vim readme. So stuff. Add to the devlog. There it is. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. And who gives a hell? So now here. Oops, forgot to go into insert mode. Syntax files updated. The syntax files for both Sublime and Vim. Text and Vim have been updated. From now on, both files will be maintained per update. So that should work. And now we can go readme syntax. That doesn't look like Pacman at all. But indeed. Feature support, probably VS Code. Who uses? Oh, I forgot. Majority of the people use VS Code. Windows. Can't imagine that. I don't have. Yeah. So now, DPL module license miscellaneous. I should really, yeah. Security and Vim security. Oh, what the hell is wrong with my keyboard today? So supported. This is a lie. So let me just bam. Notice. Big fat notice for all versions only the current release. Release will be updated for security. This is to minimize the need for multiple for handling multiple releases after they and multiple security patches for already released versions. Notes. We will only update versions that are requested. Yeah, that should be it. That's requirements. TXT requirements. Because YouTube would, crash for everybody if all streams happened instantly. They can't handle that, latency. I think I have set that up. Let me check. Like the chat. Uh, oh, it's the. Uh, Seto. Settings. Close. I can't. It's here. Customization launcher. Yeah, it's delayed by default. So yeah, can't do anything about that. So anyways, yeah, I need to request from toolkit. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, forgot about that. I should use Emacs. It sounds more mature than Vim because it is mature. I should try it. What should be? For the just for now, I'm just going to go. I guess I can just go bash scripts. Bam. So we should be able to deep. Right. So now, that doesn't work. What? Well, that's weird. But anyways, so now, oh no. Says 29 minutes. So now, MK there. DPL projects. I'm just gonna go to PJ. CD DPL PJ. And get there. First thing I will make is a counter. Hooray! The counter. Wow. So I'm gonna make a counter for me. Yeah, that should work. Oh no. I guess that kind of works, right? But I'm not sure if that's how I should implement it. Wait. Oh wait. I, hmm. 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 I guess we can just, yeah. Yes, we can just do that. So incoming vim date wrap that py. Oops. Import date. So ext is equal to dpl.extension meta name is equal to date ext.add function or add func. The name is just gonna be def date. Next of we don't need those. We don't even need that. We're just gonna go return str date dot no, it's date time, not date time. So date time dot now returns us that. It should be a tuple. or it will error out. Make sure that this is need. Oh yeah, I forgot I removed that. Oh well, who gives a hell? So we do that. So now here we go. Film main.dpl. What? What did I just? Anyways. Use standard and use use the entire standard library now, do we? Py. Now here we just use update wrap.py. So now we can just go while one and just gonna do true. So while true, we're just gonna go IO println. The only problem is we need to go decatch date. I should change that because PyCatch has been renamed. So now we can probably just go yeah. Date. And you can just go you can just print the date. Wait. Found it. Under what, bro? Oh, under what? Under what? You're trying to say you don't you can't fool me like that, bro. You can't fool me like that. You're probably laughing. You're laughing right now, but you can't do me like that. I say under what, not under the W word. You can't fool me. Nobody shall fool me. So anyways, we can't do that because we can probably raw print. So that's a string anyways. The only problem is what is dash r? Oh yeah, we can just go with that. Ah ah yeah. I'm supposed to run it there. Oh, is it only raw print line? Why? 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 Why would it raw output? It's raw output. Damn it! It's raw output. That's why raw output. Great. There's a timer now. Wait, can we like? Maybe that should. Actually, yeah. Window. Can the datetime object in Python be uh operated on? In Python, how can I initialize the date time object using Unix time? Unix 8, yeah, Unix time. We can from time stop. So, okay, that's cool. So now we can just, oh, that's pretty cool. Because then you can just, because we can So like here, so the time. Oh, oops. Did I close the tab? You've got me. Shush. Okay, so it's from. Okay, so it's initial. Okay, gotcha. So we can just go escape, V, yank, paste. So now date from timestamp. Date from timestamp. We're gonna take a single argument here, timestamp, and that's from timestamp UTC. Oh, so it's UTC from timestamp. So yep, sure. So not get time. Wait, is it get time? I keep forgetting. Okay, it's get time. Gotcha. Get time. That's it. This should just. Huh. This should just. Uh, there's no one else watching them. So there is delta. So now here we can just go time now. Set res to I'm programming in my own programming language. Delta. No, it's gonna be now. Now minus delta. Is it gonna work? Not sure. This gives us the seconds that. That's weird. I made it my own programming language. It's my own programming language, and I'm very proud of it. It's a year old now. Made it last year in August. Well, released it on GitHub. Maybe it was in July before I mastered GitHub last year. So yeah, it's called DPL. Well, it can be confused with other abbreviations, so I call it 2Pro, which stands for Dumb Programming Language. So yeah, it is a very dumb programming language made in Python, so it's very slow. But I made it able to interop with C, so you can make. Basically, it's like Python. It it looks like you're using Python, and underneath you're just using C. But for so far, it's not fully compatible with C yet. Make it what? What type? It used to be an esoteric programming language, but it turned into a general, you know, purpose programming language. I can't seem to make OOP work yet, object-oriented programming work yet, but there is like, oh, I forgot that I cannot. But there is examples here. But as soon as I make methods, it just doesn't work anymore. So like, nope. Nope. So I guess in DPL. An example was it classes? Classes. I seem to have removed it. I removed it? What? Well, that's. I'll just manually make one. So, like. It's not necessarily a class. You have to manually, like, define it. Like every part. it's basically like C with extra steps. So like you can go in object person, you can attach a method to it. So like you need to make the constructor. Self is implicit, like in C++ or C sharp. In Java, it's called self, like in Python. I know, big mistake. So like you can take an age, and so what you need to do is you need to copy it self. So self, name it temp, new temp, and in here I forgot to add syntax or anything for that. So in here, like we set the attributes in here, the temp, which is bad design, and here it's a glorified text. Everything is a string kind of programming language. It's not necessarily string. There's integer conversions happening. Like it detects that if I type 90, it knows it's an integer. And yeah, and basically this program in like its bytecode. uh, I'm not in college. I am a senior high student in the Philippines. I am 16 years old. I've been programming for like 6 years now. Actually, 6 years. I started when it was the pandemic. I am quite, happy that you mistook me for a college student, but I am definitely not a college student yet. I started programming in Python because I was bored. I'm a very dangerous person when I'm bored. Trust me. So like, I can now make a instance here. Andrew, person dot new. Oh yeah, I forgot to make it. I guess it's a side effect now. Andrew, and make him 16 as well. So now we can go println print Andrew. So like if we go do this Andrew and invoke the terminal classes that DPL should work. Oops, make method. That's the problem. What was the error again? Lib corruption of method. This is what you get for handling. But myself, you should start making your own projects. That's how I learned in Python. I was stuck in tutorial hell for like the first 3 years of my programming journey, and yeah, tutorial hell is real. You keep watching tutorials to understand stuff. You should, you should, let go of those tutorials. Find things by yourself. That's one of the advices I can give you. Like you can just projects maybe start by making your own text-based games, like yeah, and most easiest is probably like a random generator guessing game. So like I can make one right now if I uh, just make one. So like what? Oh yeah, I don't have. Oh, there's the one. Here. So like here. So okay. So like start by learning what modules are. So like the random module stuff. Yeah, it's one of the easiest programming languages. Like second to Lua, and yeah, I actually regret starting in Python, but if that's required for your course, I can't really change that. But in general, yeah, Python is easy and it was designed with simplicity from the start. So yeah, so like def like num random dot int random int. So like this is I forgot if it was inclusive or like. It was exclusive, so like 11. Well, Python doesn't really. Python isn't really that hard when it comes to libraries. You just import stuff. You don't need to like define headers and stuff since Python. So like here in main.py, you just import that module, and we can just go module.function, and when we run that, it prints 42. Like you don't need to like define headers like in C++, which plus like you used to. Mhm. Like you even need to like make like different directories just to store files. So like here test.cpp or module.cpp. So like here we include like IO stream. So basically here void print message standard cout message. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to readjust it. Yep, now that should work. And now I need to like define a header file. Was it HTTP? Forgot. Let me just check. Options are C++ headers. Ah, okay. So yeah, I was right. So HTTP. So we don't really, yeah, sure. Once include IO stream just so that we know that it's including that, and then void print message just specify that. So now like you need to go here to this, go winmain.cpp, and now go include the module. Will that work? I'm not sure at all. Then print message. Not sure if that will even compile. Yep. So oh damn. Undefined message, but that's the problem. Print message. I need to link it. Now that's where you need make files. You need, yeah. Well, anyways, back to the Python stuff. Right, actually, back to the DPL stuff. We got sidetracked a bit there. Anyways, whoops, wrong one. PJ counter. CD counter. Works now, right? DPL. No, I need to. Oh, not that is. So how do you calculate? The wrong one. Window. Python counter example. Like I need minutes. Not uh not that kind of counter. I guess I could just define it. Stamp to prime. So like we get the stamp. Oh, so here we go set out. I'm just gonna go stuff. What should I do? What should I do? So possibly we can probably start by counting the seconds. So basically set get seconds. We turn not get seconds, just seconds. So we turn it into an integer. So int stamp, and then round out by 60. So this should always fall down here. Get seconds and stuff, and then set minutes. Minutes. Problem is, how do we count the minutes? So already have seconds. So we can just go seconds. Seconds. Oops. Seconds divided by 60. So this now set final seconds. Seconds 60, because we get the remainder of this. So we'll return a formatted string of minutes, and then seconds. So now we can just that, and then we're just gonna go IO println and the newly implemented call expression. I need to provide the function object to time. So we just get to rest. And the problem is, it's probably gonna be fine. Let's test it. So no. Hold on. Oops, DAC. I run main.dpl. Oh no, that's bad. Why is it nil? Why is it nil? Minutes. There's something wrong with this. Something very wrong. Oh shoot! Forgot about that. Wrong charger. Damn it. Well, it's gonna power off soon. Charger part. Thank God for you, SBC. So now, why is it minutes spelled correctly? So something is wrong, because if I go here, print out and minutes, and if I comment this out, what do you mean pick up? Something's definitely happening behind the scenes. I'm gonna check my laptop later. Well, that's but it's nil. So something happened when it tried to calculate seconds. So something's wrong with this. Wait a second. We just need to truncate. So just remove the float part. So that should actually be that. So now here it should be final seconds. We can remove this, and we can just do that, and it's still nil. What the hell? So what's wrong with this? Seconds. So this gets So even when it was seconds, it was already nil. And every operation on nil just spreads it. I wonder why. I forgot to put the... Yes! It works! The only problem is... Huh. I guess it works, but... How would I test it for, like, minutes? I guess I can just go... give me not DPL. Test it on, like... So we give the number of seconds, so why not give it like 900 seconds? That should like print 15 minutes. Is that right? Cause if I go calc, so like if I go 900 divided by 60, it is 15. Nice. It works. So we have a counter now. The only problem is we need the we need the... Oh, nice, you made soup. What kind of soup though? So anyways, final seconds is in here. The problem is we need to pad it with zeros. I need to add like format specifiers, or maybe we can just go, because we exposed Python methods, DPL thinks it's ready to final. We can just turn this into like a string. Just call the method zfill, or we can add zfill like oh, will that work? Yawa. That's weird. What? Huh? What? What do you mean that doesn't arguments? F. Oh, it's full string, not just gotcha. That's why. Bam. It works. What? Oh, whoops. Did I really just try? Not DPL. Now here we can use that now. Bam. Yes, that works. So now we can just... The only thing we need now is to fix it so that it doesn't... We can go use raw output, and here at the end we're gonna put \r. Now we have a counter. That works. Oops, that works. So now here we can probably make it a little bit better by also formatting this into a string, then using zfill string, and then zfill again. We're gonna get errors anyways if we get like... There we go. So I'll just going to grab some foods so that I can eat finally, like after like being outside the house for like a few good hours. Plus, now while I'm away, you can look and watch at the counter. The counter works. The counter... Just be right back shortly, very shortly, with food in my hands. I just need to find something. I lost my pencil. That's not good news. I lost my pencil. Anyways, be right back shortly. I am back with food in my hands. And I am back. Okay. Ouch. So, look at that, it works! 2 minutes! I've been away for 2 minutes and 11 seconds, 12 seconds. Wow, the counter works! The counter works, bro. The counter works. The counter works. It works. It works. There we go. Does it actually like... Okay, good. So, yeah. Ah, oh yeah, I forgot it's... shut up. What the... What? So, anyways, Vim. Oh, yeah. I should update... Actually, yeah, that actually... What? Huh. Actually, that actually does make sense because... Hmm. So, like... Should it be main DPL that should run, or like a special like under main like Python? Because we use but I guess because we can go do this and it will like run the that actually should happen. So like I'll update it the next time, but for now we're just gonna go do this. So no, we don't actually need this now. Oh, it's not. Whoops. Because we don't actually use date time now because it works by itself. It works. It works. So the other nice. Advertise me to your family. That was weird. So like now if you go underscore meta meta.argc is equal to 2, so that means there's a message. So set message is equal to index meta. I forgot. I keep forgetting the colons. Meta dot args. Not that's not how. Yeah, there we go. Arg 0. So now here, we can go here and add. By the way, in my programming language, the commas are optional. So now, anyways, if message message message, then use that message else nothing. Good. But now if I like Ah, shucks, it doesn't work. Maybe because, yeah. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Damn, I'm weird. So maybe put this inside. Where it works. Uh, shouldn't it be like two? So like, so meta rx is equal to 2, set message. So like here, that should not do anything. But now if I like test, it still doesn't work. Alright, now I just got the idea. So instead of doing this, whatever the hell this was, I can just go to insert mode, remove that, and remove this. So if message, so if this is true key, so if message, now we can go to IO, raw output. Oh, we don't need raw output. You can just go raw print message. Otherwise, and then here, IO, raw output, master char. Main DPL, raw, that's it. Well, what? That's weird. Vim. So here we go, not, and here nil. Basically, this checks if this is nil. Actually, this looks like a typecast. This is the right one. As you can see, it wasn't the right one. Curse you. I get why. There we go. So like insert. So this actually I can use this. So like was this, yeah, this was the like the default value. So like, yeah, we should leave that empty in this message. Good, but now if I like have test here, why won't it show anything? Weird. Oh, whoops. So what's the problem? So like the message, correct spelling, meta args. What? How did I design that anyway? So like let's go to format. So it's in oh, FND. So like, yeah. So, oh, here it is. So, uh, so like there's also that and default text. So yeah, it is that. So the problem is that right? It means data and data name is not equal to. We're gonna import like from dot import constants. So now in here Where is it? And data is not a constant dot nil, so yeah, means it exists and it's not equal to nil. I saved that to the wrong one, but yeah, sure. Vim test. What the hell? So that works. That doesn't work. Weird, why? Message. So this is the message. We define it here. Meta. What? We have run var proc. So like it's in internal attributes. What? It's in meta. So why aren't you like I am going crazy over my own programming language. Well, at least it's my own programming language. We can just go dump wars meta. There's gonna be a lot of info on this one. Bam. Select so it doesn't run around. So RV named original RV was that. Was it correct? Yes. Have that. So RV look, and RC is look. And how about on the other one? So it should be one. So yeah, it should work. Should have worked, but it isn't. Why? What is it? Main.dpl. So meta RMC is equal to 2. It's correct. What the hell? Let me just take a bite from this food. Why is this fish so damn hard? So that, you know what? It's not like there's some index errors in DPL anyways. Except if it's the wrong object. This returns nil again. What do you... This should index it, but it's not indexing properly. The frick? Hello, why are you... That should work. That should have worked. Why didn't that work? Hello? What the hell? Why? Why didn't you work? Why? Just why? Why? I can't read this. Why did I do it like this? Actually, there it is. There's the list. This is index 1. This is index 0. So, why? Are you just not? Oh, now it works. Now it... Man, programming is hard. Of course it does. What do you mean it's... What line is this? Oh, it's the indexing part. What do you mean typos no? Oh, because it's nil. Gotcha. But wait, what? Help me. Why is it like this? So, but when I just do set message to that, it doesn't work. Son of a... What the hell? So this doesn't work because somehow argv doesn't exist. What in the hell? Why? Why? What the hell? Huh? Why won't you work? It's also raining right now. What the hell? So, what the frick? Oh, No, I did run, which is oh, I just passed it. Here is it. Here it is. So artsy. Then so artsy. Then info RV. So RV clear. So put it there. No. It's bad when you start doing random noises. Why won't you work? Why won't you just work? Why does this not work? Why won't you work? It works on my machine. So let's investigate the arguments. That one, and then the index part. So the index part is stop. This no. 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 Where is it? Is it this? It's this part. Wow. Here it is. Wow. Uh-huh. So da, da, da. So what do you mean then? Object. So this instance object tuple lists the instance index in an index is greater than objects and absolute index minus negative 1 is greater than or equal to length of object. I found the culprit. One step at a time. One step at a time. So now we're on. What? I might be having a stroke. Object index. So if it's a dictionary and index is not written constants, but if it's not, then we just return yeah. So instance objects. So it's already cleared out there. We should just move. We should move. We should yeah. We need to check it there. Oh, you've got to be. Well, I guess it fails this test then. So we fail. Okay. With index. So we can only have keys of string integer. If it's not, we return constants that Why? You know what? What the hell? So we only check if is instance index string and is instance objects um dictionary return object dot get index, constants, dot nil. Damn, it's raining hard. And if this instance index and this instance of object star tuple and list. You've got to be kidding. What the message MASSNT. So no default values. We are just going to go raw on this one. So it should be no. Why are you no longer printing properly? You've got to be joking me, right? You've You've got to be joking me because I am not about to fix this scheisse. So that works. But if I do this, it would just do nil. So we should change it such that if nil message set message yeah to yeah it works. It works. Finally, it works. The counter works with messages now. Whoa! Finally, I am free. Du bist jetzt doch scheiße, ja, Python, ja. Python, du bist eins doch scheiße. So now we can use DPL.python counter of main.dpl. Right now, things here and bam. And now we have a counter. Hooray! Oh no, what happened? What happened? Yay. There you go. Yay. Make it a little bit larger. Probably would, yep, mess it up, so. Bam. Yay. It's working. Hurrah. So, while that's happening, what should we do? Oh yeah, I forgot we need to. Because, well, it's, great, it's broken again. It counts up. It doesn't count down, it counts up so I can measure the time that it took for me to eat. It's a counter, not a timer. Anyway, hmm, that's it. What the hell? Moshi moshi. I had 6 views. At some point, I had 6 views. What the hell? Wait, now it's just three. Who else is watching? What the hell? What? Somebody, somebody is watching me raging on my own programming language. There's no front camera, so it's not a mukbang. Well, you know what? Why not? Why not? Why not? Right? Why not? Will it work? Wait. Will it work though? So, yeah. Hmm. It's not mirrored. What the hell? And the camera is at low. It's low. Because my laptop is on a stand. Ah, damn it. And the stand. Oh, wow, the laptop is hot. So, I am eating right now. Damn, I'm getting. What is Chodin doing right now? Correct. Moving on. Yeah. Let me just go to the most recent. So, anyways, it's already 2 minutes. 2 minutes 24 seconds. Move that down. New tab. I'm just going to check Choding. And don't mind my yeah, there's yeah. Don't mind my It's weird. 21 hour. Oh, know that. Shooting. Ray. I'm gonna watch that later. Um. No, it's this one. Not one. This one. Is it this one? No, not that one. And this one. Whoops. There's my ah. There's my no. It's not for what. It's just. What is my bind from using the freaking? What keys? Where's Wait, you can add a virtual cam. Yay! But first, where's the? Oh, yo, there's no mic one. Virtual. Wow. What is this? Weird. There's no. There is no Right. There is no. I am. Yeah. Anyways, I'm not going with my mouth full because my mouth is not full. Mhm. Da, 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 ren, ren. Hihito, rayo, github.io. So there's the website. Hooray! The website, yeah. The website. Hooray. I should really adjust the font size. And yes, it's responsive. Wow, responsive. I don't have food in my mouth, but I'm about to. Oh, that's. No, that's freak. Pick up little freaking. Freaking mic. Mic test. Mic. 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 Mic test. There we go. Mic test. There. Good. So this the yeah, the mic is just yeah, not good. Anyways, yeah, could turn off the camera now. Anyways, what's this morning? Just let me just Choto. Oh, anyways, yeah. Some people are watching me eat right now. What the hell? I'm 6 minutes already. Damn, I'm not even halfway done. That's weird. That's why I need a counter, not a timer. I'd probably choke on the food. One of them what? One of them what? Oh, I forgot. The stream is delayed. Then I don't know. I know. Just stop. No. No. Oh. Hey, that doesn't count, bro. Oh. Rosad. What's this? Oh, it's the website. Oh yeah. So anyways. So yeah. Shut up. So this stuff is shoot. Let me just open it in. Not in Microsoft Word. I said just don't save because I didn't even open with Microsoft WPS Office. I don't care about Microsoft Word. So yeah, I can expand it a little bit more. There we go. So like yeah. Why is it laggy? It's because shoot. So yeah, this is so certainly different. So this is just something. I don't know what I did with this, but I was definitely not cooking anything. Oh yeah, I wrote this like last year, 2024. Yeah, 14-year-old. What the youngest theoretical scientist in the Nobel? Yeah, I'm definitely not that. Yeah. I did not explain this very well. Like dogs. Oh hell no. Bison, Rocket, Bison stuff, Discord, Sicker. Oh, it's one of my programming. Oh no, not that one. Where's wait? 150 what? What's the XP, bro? What XP? Yahoo? Game. It broke again. Huh. Yes. Look, I just stream. I don't check what happens in the background. I don't care. I just stream. Look, it's one of my old programming languages. Oops. This? What? No, it must be, yep. I tried. I tried doing that. What the hell? Definitely not the future. Never has been the future. Hmm. Damn. What the hell is wrong with this? What's between kids? Oh. No worries. No. That's not a for loop. No, no. I was humming the Super Mario theme. The Mario, yeah. Damn. Oh no, that one's Tetris. Tetris, not Tetris. That's cool. Oh, I'm pretty sure simple programming version by me. So, programming instruction types are hard. Oh yeah, wow. Implicit allocation address. So how do we allocate? So allocating them. First of all, allocate them gen sterlen. You get sterlen. Oops. Get stir. That should just be 0. So that's okay. Comments start data. What's this one? Oh look, it's actually. Oh wow. Oh, it's a packaged function. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's a fort. Oh, but damn, look at this. Wow. Oh, because I am not in a good mood to eat right now. I do not have appetite. Oops, daisy. I'm getting bored and I want to program because when Lolo and Lola comes home, I'm probably never touching this laptop for another freaking year. So, hmm. Da-da-da. Oop, oop. Farming session. Pam, pam. What the hell is wrong with that? Pam. So, oop. So now, MK, give me an idea to program. Cause I don't have any ideas. I don't have any ideas, bro. Help me. Wait a second. Maybe, but no. Then, what if I? Huh? Huh? 150. Ah, no. At some point there was like 5, even 6. There's only 2 viewers left right now. So anyways, what could be the idea? I need to check my phone right now. What could be the fine? I'm gonna make a programming language in my programming language. So what I'm gonna do is make stack-based programming language because why not? Like I've like not used this name for like the bajillion times now. So we're gonna go vim main.dpl vim start.txt. Yep. Mm, yeah, we're gonna go do that. We're gonna go. Hey, will only be available. Hey, I know now. We can put it like in the top. No. Actually, we'll bit down with the other functions, but before like the simple one. So yeah, here it is. get start path start if always that path that is file start and if always that path that is there start. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go if always that path that is file always that path that join start and then the DPL start.txt. Then we're gonna go return open start file open start file. We want explicitly read dot read dot strip. Otherwise, elif always the path dot is file start file always the path dot join start main dot dpl. Let me just increase the font size of this thing. Bam. Not that big. That big. So that should be enough. So now we can go here and go get start path. Ah, boom. So now, oh no, the only problem is that we need to exit here. You can't just, yeah, you can't just, damn it, get start path. So we need to exit actually, you don't, file is equal to get start path file. I am too lazy right now to use that. So there we go. Ah, where is ah? Damn you! I guess I have to restart it again. Damn, manually adjust it. Kidding me. So there we go. We were like in 100 dump LLIR, so we should be in dump. Yep. So my parents might be here. Might have to go soon. Have to go soon. It is indeed 9:24. So yeah. Oh, sadly, might have to go soon and end the stream, or might able to continue it. But yeah, purple, and that's it basically. So just select this one. Should work. So right now I can go DPL start main 2. So like here I can go main 2.dpl and still go damn it. Use what the hell? Oh, that's why I need to be put it. Now it's gonna be push. Okay, good. So now if you just go DPL.py, it works. So like if you go down, so that's what we have to check because I did not. Cool.